The Thin Lizzy 5-in-1 Hot Air Brush. If you're wanting to smooth the look of your hair, add volume, style it, curl it, or dry your hair, this bad boy comes in handy. It's going to make sure that your hair is looking expensive every single time you style it. Without the hassle, without the hefty price tag, you'll look like you've just stepped out of the hair salon with this gorgeous product. I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how I personally use the hot air brush so you can enjoy it and get the most out of it in your very own home. So what can you expect to get in the box? When you open it up, you'll see that it comes with several different attachments, 5 to be precise. So it looks like that. Let's see how it works. Let's set up the brush. I've got the blow dry nozzle. I'm just going to be simply flicking it into place. You want to hear that click, then you can just go ahead and turn it on and blow dry your hair. I would recommend to air dry your hair for as long as possible, and then I just blow dry mine till it's about 80% dry, and then I go through with the other attachments to really get that professional looking result. This is obviously a hot air brush. Make sure you do tread with caution when you are taking the attachments on and off. So again, you just push and then take it off. So next up we have the smoothing brush. Pop it on, click it into place, and then put it on the setting that you want and style your hair. Before styling your hair with the brush attachment or the curling attachment, I would make sure that your hair is well and truly tangle free. Just use a great hairbrush to detangle it. One other tip is always apply a heat protector. Whatever your favorite heat protectant is, make sure you are using it, make sure you are brushing it through. Then again, you just push, take it off. Next up, we have the round brush. You just simply click it into place. Make sure you hear that click and make sure the arrows are lined up. My tip would be, before you start to use your round brush, do make sure that you brush or comb out your hair thoroughly beforehand, making sure you don't have any annoying tangles and knots in your hair. This means that when you go and use the round brush, you can create that gorgeous volume where you need it and movement. Make sure it is cooled down before you do take it off, or wear some gloves or something like that and take it off. Next, we have 2 different air wrap attachments. This is because we want you to be able to style your hair however you want it. So if you want your curls to go left or right, you can do that. But it also means that it's perfect for face framing as well. So you can angle the hair away from your face and you can just create beautiful curls. We've got 3 heat settings for your curling needs. Once my curl is in place, I like to either put it onto level 1 for a cool shot, or just turn it off completely, and I just hold it there for a few more seconds before releasing that curl. That is how I like to use the products and how easy it is to take the attachments on and off. It truly is a sensational, versatile product if you're wanting gorgeous salon looking hair. Enjoy, have fun. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be diving into the Thin Lizzy 5-in-1 Hot Air Brush. It's the ultimate all-in-one styling tool. This bad boy comes with 5 different attachments, so if you want to dry your hair, smooth it, add volume, straighten or curl your hair, all while taming frizz, it does it all, thanks to the ionic ceramic technology. Now, whether you're a newbie or a pro, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how you can get gorgeous, expensive, salon looking hair without paying the hefty price tag. Before we style, let's prep for success. Start with clean, towel-dried hair that's about 80% dry to minimize heat damage and frizz. I like to spritz my hair with a heat protectant, and then I like to brush it through with a good hairbrush, making sure that heat protectant is thoroughly all through the hair and coating ideally as many strands of hair as possible. Now, this also makes sure the hair is tangle-free and ready to prep for the 5-in-1 hot air brush. Next, let's dry the hair using the blow dry nozzle. Attach it, set the brush to high heat and point it downward. Now, I'm sort of shaking my hair around a little bit. This is helping to give my hair more volume, and keep the nozzle a few inches away from your hair to avoid overheating. For a sleek, straight look, grab the smoothing brush attachment, Set it to low or medium heat to avoid overstyling, whatever your preference. Brush it slowly from the roots to the tips, keeping the hair as taut as possible. Now this is great for taming frizz or refreshing second day hair. If you're wanting to quickly style your hair and have your hair look expensive in a minute or two, this does the trick. Now check out how shiny and smooth this section of my hair is compared to the other side. Now let's add gorgeous volume with the round brush attachment. Adjust the heat to your hair type. I have the heat set on medium. If you have a lot of hair, section your hair, then place the brush under the roots and lift while brushing slowly to the tips. Twirl the brush at the ends for a bouncy flick. If you want to add more volume, repeat each section in the crown area. This round brush makes the hair look bouncy and fresh. Let's create gorgeous soft curls with the air wrap curling barrels. There are two, depending on which direction you want your curls to go, and it makes it perfect for face framing as well. So attach the barrel and set the heat to either medium or high, depending on your hair type. Take a small section of your hair, then wrap it around the barrel. You may need to gently guide your hair onto the barrel. I like to move my barrel back and forth to get the best result. Hold it for up to 10 seconds depending on your hair type. I hold mine for 5 seconds roughly, then release gently. If you want longer lasting curls, hit the pull shot or even turn it off and hold until the hair has completely cooled down, then release. If you want looser curls, gently run your fingers through the ends of your hair. Apply your favorite setting spray and you're done.